Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to do glitch on Blockbuster. Now if you are looking for 100% working glitch, then this is the video for you. So watch till the very end to know about the working glitch on Blockbuster. To do so, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and you have installed the Blockbuster app on your device. Now to play unlimited without ads, then you need to simply follow this step. You need to simply scroll from the very top right hand side on your iPhone, and if you're using App Store, you may simply open settings on your device, and now you may click on the option of airplane mode or go on the airplane mode. So by clicking on airplane mode, you can play a game normally. Since there is no internet, ad won't interrupt you, so you may play the Blockbuster game without any ad and all. And if you need, you may simply turn on the internet back. Now if you do a wrong move, then you may simply restart. So wait for it, so I'll simply show you. So if you keep the wrong move right here, then you may simply quickly close the game and reopen the game, and it may take you to the last move and it may show you before you have kept this. So I have not done it as quick as possible. So if you keep on doing like this, and if you simply go back, then as you can see, it will help you to get back the undo move or get back with the restart option. So if you want to get the high score easily, then you may fill up the row evenly. So let's say if you want to get the high score easily, then you may simply keep on filling up like this, and it keeps on blasting. So that's it. That's how you can do the glitch on Blockbuster. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.